I'm not fishing with you guys. Jesus Christ.
Thank you. Don't fall out of this son of a bitch first 10 minutes. Don't miss when you get in the water.
We made it to the fishing ground. Whether we make it to the houseboat with these guys, I have no idea.
That was the smoothest landing I believe I've ever landed. I didn't even know kids was in the water.
That's where we're going to be living and fishing from for a week. Well, fishing from the little boats, living on this thing.
Go up the top,
Okay.
and either the middle one or the end one, up at the top.
All right, my bunk.
Yeah, I'll show you. It's the middle one or the end one. Choose your room. You guys change your room.
Bom dia.
Tudo bom?
Sim, tudo bom. Onde está o dormitório?
Red juice.
Ah, Alec.
That's all.
Alequinho.
Alequinho.
Aldson. Aldi. Obrigado. Out this way. Here is my berthing space, number 10. And come in here. And we have our space. Had my nap, and we have our gear on the top, our beds below, and we have a small private bathroom in here with a shower combo, and out this door be to the side of the boat. Continuing up, we're at the bow of the boat here. You can see here we're tied up, getting ready to head out for the afternoon fishing. Come out over here. Most of the boats are out today, still out. Most of the fishing boats are still out. A couple are back in already. Up here we have kind of like a shoal deck. Tudo bem? Everybody hangs out up here. You get a view. At nighttime from up here, it's absolutely amazing to see the stars. It's completely no light pollution here. There's a small little Indian village across the river. May have a dozen homes or so. Coming down. Here is the main dining area where we have our meals. And in the back is a bar. And you can see here we have everything is air conditioned. Everything is really nice and comfortable in here. Plenty of fresh provisions. And back up, disculpa. Down here, a cocina, the vein, and the launch where we do get out on our boats in the morning. I don't know who came back this afternoon. And that rickety one is for the crew. Back down there's more cabins. go back up. It's another more entrances. Back up. Up here you can kind of see the cruise boat. Some of them sleep on here on hammocks, some of them sleep upstairs on hammocks. And so this is my cabin.